Hello everyone, and welcome to my little corner of the world. I created a home immersed in nature, deep within a British woodland. Time away from the internet, screens, and the busyness of everyday life. Taking a deep breath and slowing everything down. I went back to basics. I was so fortunate to take a unique job through a good friend of mine, a warden working on an off-grid campsite with 600 acres of private land. I was able to create my own space, my own little nest. Time to read, time to shoot, and time to just watch nature. With no running water close by and not an electricity point in sight, I went to it, nestling myself within the woods. First on my agenda, to make a kitchen utility area. Fashioned myself together a bit of a wood store, so this is where I'm going to put my wood and keep it nice and clean with this tarp. Ideal. For now I'm just going to cover it up like that until I can make some kind of lean-to for it to get the water to run off. But that'll do. Next up, I go to work making myself a luxurious compost toilet. After loads of banging, readjusting, and a lot of sawing, I finally got up some kind of a structure. Well guys, pretty much made the bathroom. Check this out. So we've got our nice flat sturdy platform. We come in here. I've cut down into the basin there, so this drops down. I've sorted out this little thing here. Nice and spongy, comfortable. Lovely. Over here I've just got my bowl of compost, so I can scoop that up. Toilet roll, spares. So, sorted. Right, what's next? Lovely. Oh guys, I wish you could feel this. Although I've got the doors open, all inside my tent, super cozy. Keeps my toes warm at night, look. Lovely, really chuffed. After getting it all warm inside the tent, I start making it a little more homely by putting those final touches in and calling it a day. Right, it's time for me to get to work. Yes guys, I've got my hands full, but I wanted to show you my daily commute to work. You can see my tent in the background. Got my cup of tea and my book, in case I have an opportunity to read. Say when I'm doing reception duties or something like that. Oh, I'm spilling my cup of tea. You get the gist. Just a short walk through the woods and I'm at the main campsite area and the reception. Ready to find out what tasks I'm on today. I've been on reception now for a few hours and I wanted to show you guys daily life for me really. Daily tasks that I need to do whilst I'm staying here. And here I've got facilities clean. So facilities, beautiful place this is. As you can see behind me, look. This place runs on bucket showers. So you come round here, fill up your bucket with hot water, may I add. Look at this, luxury. So they've got the gas here that's running, that's a small immersion heater. So the water's going to come through, it's going to heat up a small amount of water that you can get from this hot tap, put it in your bucket and put it into the toilets here. I'll show you, it's bloody brilliant. You'll grab your bucket and you'll come round to the shower. There's 2 cubicles in this particular section. Amazing though, look. Really large spaces to get yourself sorted, privacy. Fill up your bucket, and at the bottom of the bucket, look, you got a little shower head. Fantastic! So it's my job to come here after the morning hustle and tidy up after everybody, really, in the shower areas. So I've got these naughty boys to sort out. Look. That's a cute little shepherd's hut there of compost toilets. This is just one of many on this site and actually they're beautiful. I've gone in here, you need to sort that out. Make it nice and presentable for the guys that come in to use them. And there's not much to it really. I'll show you around the toilets here because they are actually really good. Don't get put off by it. There you go, really. Everything you need. And the smell isn't bad at all. You've just got your compost there. These come across, you've got 2 separate areas. A collecting bit, and there, number 1's there. So you go for your wee at the front, number 2's get collected there. Not the prettiest job, of course, but at the same time, you know, this job does come with its perks, so I'm enjoying it. I do wonder what Ula's up to right now, actually. See what she's been up to on the boat. Being creative, I hope. The really cool part about this campsite in particular, I love it, is because it's spread out over such a large distance that you have these little walkways, pathways, look, in the woods, and every single pitch that you come to, whether it's a bell tent pitch or it's a pitch that you want to put your own tent up in, every single one is so secluded and private, and you just feel like you're the only person in the woods. Here's one here. So you've got a bell tent pitch there, look, right in the woods. Beautiful little spot. Further down in a dip down there, there's another pitch. You've got the facilities down the walk there. There's loads of people here, but you just never know it. See here, I've come up to a path. Pitch F1. Right down there somewhere. There's somebody else's private little pitch. Ideal. I mean, you've got gorgeous setups like this one. You got yourself a little section there for your bonfires, your little private area for your tent, nestled in the middle of the trees. After your little taster of what the campsite looked like, in true British fashion, the weather took a turn for the worst. So I took the time to do some more home improvements back at my own camp. Guys, my kitchen area just keeps on getting absolutely drenched. I'm alright with all this stuff getting drenched. It's alright, you know, you just wipe it. Get it cleaned down here, put it up there, drip, it's fine. The rain goes on it, it's all good, I'm going to wipe it. But over here, my fridge. Now let me show you this. This is the big problem. It's just your standard thermos esky. And what's going on in here, look, is water keeps getting in. I did previously think it was some freezer blocks or something that I had the luxury of using, but it isn't. The water's getting in through here somehow. So I'm going to get myself dressed up in this pissing down rain. To basically try and get a canopy over here to keep my little kitchen area as dry as possible. This here, guys, is the tarpaulin that was supplied to me by an amazing company. Super cool story behind this company, but they reached out to me to gift me one of their hammocks, and I absolutely love hammock sleeping. Honestly, it's one of my favourite ways to camp. I've done it all over the world in random places, and yeah, I'll show you more about the hammock later on, but I'm actually going to utilise this for practical reasons, to cover up my kitchen area so it isn't going to get drenched all the time. Woohoo! To be fair, guys, it's doing the job. It's keeping the whole of this area nice and dry now, which is a lot more than can be said for me and my phone. So I'm going to have to cut this here, guys, and catch up with you in a bit. The sun finally decided to show his face and things started to dry up. So it was a perfect opportunity for a community cook-up with the gang. And of course, some evening entertainment to round off the day nicely. An aged soul that's got a lot of stories to tell.
Right? Let's round the campfire and tell your stories.
Yeah.
They all had wives and kids and empty bellies to fill. But you are a natural fighter. I had plans, he will Roger, your wife. If you've been bad, he will take your life.
I hope you've enjoyed watching the first part of my woodland adventures. Stay tuned for part 2 in the woods. Then, I promise we'll be back to boating before you know it. And of course, a special mention to these beauties for supporting our channel and buying us a cup of tea. Until next time, lots of love.